Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Teachers Buddy. You may have noticed that we've recently made a few updates on the platform. So I'm just going to quickly show you how our awesome new update is making the content that you generate with Teachers Buddy even more relevant for you and your students. If you've logged into Teachers Buddy over the last couple of weeks, you should have been prompted to input your country and region. But if for some reason this hasn't popped up for you, or if you'd like to change it for any reason, then simply head over here to your settings. And you can scroll down and see you can change your language, country, and region. Scroll down a bit further and hit save and you're good to go. It's super quick and easy and you'll see the difference immediately in the materials that you generate. So just as an example, I'm from New Zealand. Now the prompts that I input will automatically be created through the lens of a New Zealand Māori perspective and aligned with the New Zealand curriculum. Now, here at Teachers Buddy, we understand the importance of using correct language and spelling in educational materials. With this update, you'll experience more consistent spelling according to where you are in the world. This enhancement ensures that your materials reflect the rich diversity in your classroom and support the curriculum of where you are. We really hope that these updates will save you time and effort, allowing you to focus more on what you do best, teaching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome updates and tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.